Hey up guys, it's Joe from Jordanbikes, and today I've got for sale this little beauty. It's a Kawasaki ZX10RR Winter Edition. Proper good looking bike are these. Extremely quick, handle like they're on rails, and they look the bee's knees. So this one's a 2018 on an 18 plate. It's only done 4,840 miles. It's been fitted with that Akrapovic exhaust. It's got a decat on it. It's got the seat cowl, the R&G tail tidy. Lovely bike. They do come with big piston balanced Showa forks, Brembo M50 Monobloc brakes. They've got adjustable traction, adjustable ABS. They've got different power modes. Got the all-in steering dampener, launch control. They've got everything. Marchesini wheels on the RR, quickshifter. You get the blipper as well in the RR. You get everything. You basically get a World Superbike with a registration plate on the back of it. Proper cool, good looking bike. Massive brake horsepower, and they just look incredible. So I'll give it a quick fire up. Beast. So if you want it, be quick, get yourself down to Jordanbikes, or just give us a call. Thank you very much.
Hi, I'm Nick and thank you for watching the video. Just to let you know, the bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine-tooth comb, and we will put a 3-month parts and labour warranty on it. We're so confident it's a good bike that we're happy to extend that for 1, 2 or even 3 years. We also offer finance and PCP on all our bikes subject to status, and the PCPs are on bikes up to 4 years old. So if you like it, give us a call and get it bought before somebody else does. Thank you. Cheers.